Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Soham Kiran Kudle. I am pursuing computer engineering degree from JECOR, Nare, Pune. I and my other group member have been participating in PVL activity and we made a program named to generate random key using Python language. Our aim of the project is to generate a user-defined length key with combination of uppercase alphabet and numbers to understand and implement string function of and Python libraries, to use Python IDEA and check the program output according to logic implanted in code. Python is an interrupted high-level general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its use of significant indentation. Its language construct as well as its object-oriented approach aim to programmer with clear logical code for small and large-scale projects. Random key generator is a program which generates a key which is a mixture of uppercase letter as well as numbers enough to generate great user-defined string combination. What is key? A key, sometimes called as a passcode, is a memorized secret typical and string of character usually used to confirm the identity of an user. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Ganjekar. I am pursuing a computer engineering degree from Zeal College of Engineering, Nare, Pune. I and my other group members have participated in PBL activity and we made a program to generate a random key using Python. Programming language used: Python. Python is a dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms including structured, object-oriented and functional programming. It's often described as a batteries included language due to its compressive standard library. Guido van Rossum began working on Python in the late 1980s as a successor to the ABC programming language and first released it in 1991 as a Python 9.0. Project features: to get random key string combination of uppercase alphabet and numbers. Second, key length is defined by user. Third, unique key is generated each time.
Hello everyone, I am Uday Sirasar here to tell you about some of the applications of our project Random Key Generator. We can generate unique token number. Next, we can generate passwords. We can generate unique identification numbers. These are some of the applications of our project. Now, I would like to explain project architecture. We have used algorithm. Algorithm is a set of instructions given to obtain expected output. Then enter string length. String is a collection of characters. Then to generate user-defined size string, combination of uppercase alphabet and numbers. Then next is display string and stop. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Avdutpure, studying in first year of engineering from Edge Division. Now we are going to see the flowchart for this program. First we have to start, then input the string length. Ran is equal to join random uppercase alphabets and numbers. Display output string random generated key. Stop. Next, future scope for this program. Special characteristics may be added. Multiple unique output can be accomplished at once. Conclusion. In this program, we learn how to implement our logic in programming language, to use predefined functions from Python library, to test the program and look for the expected result according to the source code, to use different Python IDs. Thank you.
Education Society. Redefining excellence.